so the award for Best in Costume and Props. Best in Costume and Props goes to Ruben Ambo. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Next up we have our People's Choice Award. Of course, this is care of Healthy Options, so can we call on Head of Marketing of Healthy Options, Ms. Jamianatis? Where's Jan? Hi, Jan. People's Choice Award. Okay, so People's Choice Award is presented by Healthy Options, and the winners will receive 50,000 pesos in GCs from Healthy Options. That's a lot of health. It's a lot of options of health. 50,000 of them.
Congratulations to Philippine Ru and Vinanda.
Good. Congratulations, guys. Ito yung 50,000 gift certificates. Ayun, diretso kayo doon. Diretso kayo doon. Mag-shopping kayo. Mag-shopping kayo. Thank you, Jam. And thank you, of course, Healthy Options for providing us with that prize for our People's Choice Award. And now it is time, ladies and gentlemen, for us to finally get down to our winners. So we're going to start with our third runner-up, and we've got Miss Kathleen Gwendis here behind us. Hi, Kathy. Are you ready to present our third runner-up? Congratulations, our third runner-up receives a trophy. Each one of our contestants receive a medal and a really big check worth 30,000 pesos. Guys, There you go. Yun. Congratulations, third runner-up.
Sa may hawak ng flag. Sa may hawak ng flag. Akin na lang. Akin na lang, akin na lang.
Congratulations.
Pwede ba isan lang to? Isan lang muna. Isan lang ako.
All right, there we have it.
Isan lang ako muna. Pwede, isan lang ako muna.
We have Miss Monique to help us with that one. She's ready for this. She's so.
Ay, isan lang ako muna.
She's been telling me all afternoon. I can't wait.
Isan lang ako
to
na lang
announce the
muna.
winners. So our second runners up will
Isan lang ako na.
receive
Tara, board na.
50,000 pesos.
Bigyan mo kay Matt.
So our second runners up are
Baka mas doble, bigyan lang kay Matt.
Philippine Young Shek Dragon Lion Sport Association with a score of 6.3%.
May sobra ulit. May pawn shop dyan sa labas.
Congratulations, guys. 50,000 pesos in cash. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for us to announce our first runner-up. Our first runner-up will receive 80,000 pesos in cash. And let's call on Mr. Nelson Uy to help us with our announcement of our first runner-up. Tabi-tabi. Dalawang kalbo nakatabi. Feeling bawal to kapag may distance eh. I can see my fortune and you can see yours. Dalawang bumbilya. Okay, it's time for us to find out who our first runner-up receiving 80,000 pesos in cash. Our first runner-up was Dragon Lion. Congratulations to our first runner-up, and now it's time for us to announce who the grand champion is. Our grand champion will receive 100,000 pesos in cash. And to help us, we have Mr. Asoy, of course, and Engineer Rene Bacani to announce the winners of our competition. Architect Rene Bacani is going to do the honors. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Make it dramatic. Dramatic.
Hey, drum roll, drum roll.
Drum roll.
And the winner is Ruby Pinocchio.
Congratulations to our grand champion, Ruby Mondo. Not only to Ruby Mondo, but also to all of our competitors. It has been a successful and amazing afternoon. Every single one of our competitors, our teams today will receive 50,000 pesos. Again, this is for us to acknowledge and appreciate the dedication and craft and the tradition. And this will just be the first. We hope to see you guys all again next year. You have a whole year. You have a whole year to practice and to get up here on this stage. 5, Brian Lee. Honorary winner.